Donc voilà un mini hub bien fait. Il est solide, il est en aluminium. On a dessus 3 sorties USB ici avec l'indicateur bleu qui signe que c'est un USB rapide. Et la rapidité est obtenue grâce à la prise d'entrée du type Thunderbolt ou USB-C qui est maintenant la référence des prises d'entrée USB modernes. Sur le côté ici, on a une entrée HDMI. Sur le côté ici, on a 2 entrées pour des cartes SD. La carte SD grand format qui rentre facilement ici. La carte SD petit format qui rentre ici. Donc voilà, c'est pratique pour lire les clés USB ou une entrée HDMI sur son téléphone. Donc la manipulation est relativement simple puisque grâce au connecteur moderne Thunderbolt, voilà, dès qu'on branche, ok, je consulte les fichiers et j'ai accès au contenu de ma puce. Alors moi je m'en sers surtout en fait sur mon PC, un double face ici, je colle ça contre la face de mon PC, ça vaut quelques euros, c'est un adaptateur, ça se branche dessus et on a accès directement aux anciennes prises USB A des PC avec sous la main 3 prises USB rapides supplémentaires. Il faut bien sûr choisir une prise USB rapide si on veut bénéficier de la haute vitesse.
Okay, just a quick little review of my HODO USB-C hub. You'll see that it's got 2 plugs there, and what's that going to fit into? Well, it fits into a MacBook Pro, so that's just right for me. Fits in perfectly, if I can put that in like that. That's it, nice and easy. And when it goes in, a little light lights up telling you that the connection's good. And you'll notice the colour of it is very much like the MacBook, not exact, but good enough. And as well, that the feel of it has the same kind of aluminium feel as the MacBook, so it's lovely and tactile. Fits in really neatly. I do have another one of these which is cabled into one of the USB-Cs, and I must say on the desk it's just nicer to have it nice and snug in the MacBook Pro. If I turn it around, you can see the kind of connections it's got. You can see the light there, as I mentioned. The first one on the left, that's the lightning port, power and data transfer through that. You've got some USBs, the SD, and right at the end, which I think is really nice because it's like the HDMI comes out the back of your device, is that HDMI sat there. So all in all, I'd say a nice, neat device, really, especially in these times of working from home and lots of peripherals. It's got exactly the number that I need, and as I said, it's just nice and tidy.
Using this with Samsung DeX, you can see there's no internet connection on the phone. I'm using Ethernet cable with the phone. And I have internet access on the phone through the Ethernet cable. That is freaking awesome. And I can use both keyboard and mouse at the same time.
Alright, so this is my docking station that I just brought. Connects really well, has a bunch of different connective ports. So I have a lot of USB, and I really like that it connects to my laptop so that I can use my dual monitor. And yeah, it works great. It has an HDMI port, which I won't be really needing this longer because I'm switching my screen to a 34-inch Dell, and that comes tomorrow. But yeah, I love it so far. It's great. This is my old one. It's in here. This is my tech bag. I wanted to show you my old one that I had from Best Buy. This is the old one. And I think I paid like $20-something for this from Best Buy. And this one was $55. So, and it has more ports and more capability. So yeah.